7-step assembly video. Step 1. Unboxing. Carefully unbox the components and ensure all parts are included. Step 2. Segregate materials. Separate the materials according to the bill of materials. Step 3. Refer to drawings. Consult the provided drawings for assembly guidance. Step 4. Connect pipes. Use a spanner to connect pipes 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5 and 6 to 6. Step 5. Assemble panels. Place tube number 2 on the left side and tube number 1 on the right side. Position the panels on the floor as shown in the video. Rotate the knob to secure the panels in place. Take tubes 3 and 4 and attach them to the other side of the panel using knobs. Step 6. Fix pipes. Attach pipes 5 and 6 to the back side of the 4 and 3 frame as per the drawing. Step 7. Fix the cross tie on the back of tubes 3 and 4. Connect the 7th tube to tubes 5 and 6 in the splice joint area. Adjust the side link position for display. Completion. Your assembly is complete.